Implementing some common functions. Sum. It adds a set of numbers or a series of cells. Is equal to sum, number 1, number 2, and so on. Here, number 1, number 2 are arguments which refers to different numbers, cell addresses, or cell range that can be entered. We can do it in different ways. We will type is equal to sum 8, 16, 5 in any cell, for example, B2 cell. We will receive output as 29. Let's enter C1 is equal to 2, D2 is equal to 3, and E8 is equal to 4. We will type is equal to sum C1, D2, and E8 in cell E9, and the data in cells C1, D2, and E8 will be added. We will receive output as 9, which is the sum of cells C1, D2, and E8. Let's type A1 is equal to 1, A2 is equal to 2, A3 is equal to 3, A4 is equal to 4, A5 is equal to 5, A6 is equal to 6, and A7 is equal to 7. We will type is equal to sum A1 is to A7 in cell A8, and all the data in cell A1 to A7 will be added. Now we will receive output as 28, which is the sum of all the data in cell A1 to A7. 2. Product. It is used to multiply all the given numbers. Is equal to product, number 1, number 2, and so on. Here, number 1, number 2 are arguments which refers to different numbers, cell addresses, or cell range that can be entered. For example, we type D2 is equal to 2, I4 is equal to 3, J1 is equal to 4. We will type is equal to product D2, I4, J1 in cell D5, and the data in the cells D2, I4, and J1 will be multiplied. We will receive final output as 24, which is the multiplication of D2, I4, and J1. Type B4 is equal to 2, B5 is equal to 3, B6 is equal to 4, B7 is equal to 5, and B8 is equal to 6. We will type is equal to product B4 is to B8 in cell B9, and it will multiply all the data in cells B4 to B8. We will receive final output as 720, which is the multiplication of values in cell range B4 to B8. 3. Quotient. It is used to find quotient when one number is divided by another number. Is equal to quotient, numerator, denominator. Here, numerator is a number or a cell address that is to be divided. Denominator is a number or cell address by which numerator is to be divided. For example, type D1 is equal to 6 and C5 is equal to 2. We will type is equal to quotient D1 C5 in cell E5 and the data in cell D1 will be divided by the data in cell C5 and quotient will be the outcome. We will receive final output as 3. Here, 6 is a numerator and 2 is a denominator. 4. Power. It is used to calculate the value of a number raised to a power. Is equal to power, number, power. Here, number is any number or a cell address can be entered. Power is any number or a cell address can be entered. For example, we will type is equal to power 3, 2 in any cell, for example, B2 cell. It will provide output as 9. Let's type C1 is equal to 2. We will type is equal to power 5, C1 in cell C2. The output is 5 raised to the power of data in cell C1 will be displayed. Now we receive final output as 25.